Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check which applications and does your iPhone collect informations about your research sensors and collection data on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So what you want to do is to open settings. Then you want to swipe down a little bit and tap on privacy and security. Once you're here, swipe down and go to research sensor and usage data. So as you can see, you have sensor and usage data collection. Maybe you have it off or on. As you can see, enabling its collection allows apps and studies you authorized to access important sources of information that are otherwise unavailable. So as you can see, here no data is being collected, you have some informations about that and no apps or studies authorized. So you can turn off this feature and the data is not going to be collected. And also if you turn on this feature you can delete all currently collected data. So let's do it right now. Delete all collected data, and from this time I don't want to get of the usage data, the research sensor, to collect my information. So I'm just going to turn it off, and this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.